You've come across minimalism and something resonated with you, and you want to live that less is more lifestyle and truly begin to live your life with intention. Today I'm going to talk about 6 ways to get started. Hey guys, Tracy here, and welcome back. If you're new to this channel, my name is Tracy. I bring inspiration for minimalism and intentional living to make the daily life a little simpler. If you find value from these videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And also share this with your friends. Maybe they can come along on this minimalist journey with you. So getting started, one of the first things that I did when I started minimalism is research. Research the bloggers and the YouTubers, even look at Pinterest. Find out how a minimalist lifestyle will benefit you specifically. Delve into it to learn more for inspiration and motivation for living with less. These are some of my favorites, and they'll also be linked down below. My favorites are The Minimalists with Joshua Fields-Millburn and Ryan Nicodemus. They have a podcast as well as their own blog and YouTube channel. There's also Becoming Minimalists with Joshua Becker. And one of my other favorites is Zen Habits by Babauta, if I pronounced that correctly. And so those are the main people that really inspired me to live this kind of lifestyle. So just do your research and learn more about it. As mentioned in a previous video, linked above, is start small. By starting small, you're going to reduce your chances of becoming overwhelmed and stressed out about the amount of stuff you have. You don't want to be thinking about every nook and cranny of your home. So just start with a drawer in your bathroom, or the floor of your closet, or even just a section of your kitchen counter. You don't have to do one whole room if you don't want to. The third thing to help you out is when tackling your items, separate them into piles. I like to do a keep relocate pile, and by relocate I mean put them where they belong or find a home for them so that they have a place to belong. I do a donate sell pile as well as a toss and recycle pile. Really, you can put these into 6 piles, but for the sake of simplicity and having a small space, I do it in 3 piles and then break it down from there later on. But the thing you have to remember is to actually deal with those piles after you create them. For example, the donate sell pile, put the bag or box in your car. It's something I like to do to ensure that when I go out, I can easily drop it off at a Goodwill or Salvation Army. Number 4, ask yourself questions. Find out what an item is used for, or even when was the last time you had used it and how often you've used it. Do you really need it, or do you want it? If things are kept for just in case or what ifs, especially if that happens little to none, then I'd say it's safe to get rid of it. Most often you can borrow, rent, or even repurchase again if you really have to. Number 5, know that this is a lifestyle with habits that continue each day. This is not a one-time fix that just keeps you decluttered forever. The main culprit for this is shopping. Know why you buy stuff. Ensure that you're buying stuff that you need versus stuff that you want. Make a list, and that would really help you to stick to what you need. Other ways is, if you like to window shop, go without your wallet. That way you're still kind of fulfilling that little need inside of you without adding anything to your home. Another thing you can do is give yourself time to sleep on it. And I don't mean just a day. Some say a week, some say a month. But even I have waited 6 months to years before purchasing an item, especially if it's expensive. I want to make sure that I need it, something that I'll actually use versus just wanting it because some commercial told me so. Really think about the item before purchasing it. See how it fits into your life. And lastly, number 6, knowing that minimalism isn't about the items you own. It applies to everything in your life. This can be relationships and keeping those who are your best friends and getting rid of the toxic relationships, those who don't add value to your life but bringing you down, or even just simply decorations. Do you have 20 frames on the wall, or do you have just one photo? For me, it's that behind me. Food. Are you putting in 20 ingredients or are you putting in 5? It cuts down the steps. chores. You're tackling tasks more efficiently, which saves you time, sometimes money, and things like that. So know that minimalism isn't about the physical things in your life. It's about everything in your life. Minimalism is simplifying your life to live more meaningfully and intentionally. These are some ways that you could start living with less. If you feel this video helps you, please give me a thumbs up. For more videos on minimalism and intentional living, don't forget to subscribe. I'm here every Thursday. If you enjoyed watching this, check out my other videos. You can also find me on other social media platforms. Thanks for watching. Bye.